Hello everyone. Today I'm going to tell you how to add maps, real-time maps to your Excel sheet and to plot the data on those map, and that's going to be really helpful for you because oftentimes we do these things. We plot, we have the data city-wise or the country-wise, and we want to plot that so on the real-world maps. So we require the maps. So let's go to the Excel and open a new file and set up your data, simple data like I have set here. Go to the insert and then go to the add-ins, and then you can see already have the Bing's map, but you will, if you're doing it first time, you will not see it. Go to the more add-ins, and then right here write maps on the search bar, and you can see this is there, and click add, and you will be able to add the add-ins. So I have already, so I'll just click on it, and you can see I have this map here. It got loaded, and I go to the filters. Let me zoom a little bit so that we can see properly. Okay, no problem. You go to this filter and then you can select the data, then you go here and then you select your whole data, then you click OK, and as you can see it has mapped my data on the real world map. We have state and state. We should have changed it. It should be more like okay, there's a problem. Expenses. Here we have expenses, and you can write profits, and when you click OK, and it updates here, and you can see both Seattle is in the North America, is a state of America, and we have Berlin, which is a city in Europe, a state in Europe, sorry, and it has perfectly planted the Berlin here, and there's a London, which is a state of England, a city of England, and it has plotted it perfectly here. So that's how you plot the real world map according to your data easily on this Excel sheet. Next time you are creating a presentation or you're making something, plotting your data or explaining your data, and it's a very important tricks when you do data analytics stuffs. You want to explain or storytell your data, then you can use these type of maps. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next.